Starting with the underside of your brisket, using a very sharp knife, trim off all excess fat that you can see. It's important to trim away from yourself for safety. You can place your hand under your brisket to hold it up, which makes it a little bit easier to trim some of the hard fat away. Begin to shape your brisket by cutting away any fatty edges. Make sure you save them to use later on for brisket mince. They make amazing smash burgers. Flip your brisket over to your presentation side and trim any large flaps off from your point end. Trim any excess hard fat from between your point and flat. Lightly trim away fat until you begin to expose the muscle on the flat. You want to keep an even layer of fat for flavour. Trim the rest of the fat off of the point end, completely exposing the muscle. Shape your brisket by trimming the edges further. You now have a perfectly trimmed brisket ready to rub.